Welcome to this space of healing. I know you are carrying a burden in your body. I know there is discomfort. But for the next few minutes, you don't need to fight it. You don't need to be strong. You just need to be here. Find a position that feels kind to your body. Adjust your shoulders, your hips, your neck. Give yourself permission to be completely supported by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes, and let's begin with the breath. And exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Do this again. Inhale peace. Exhale resistance. Your body has its own intelligence. It knows how to heal. It knows how to repair. Right now, we are simply reminding it of its power. Feel gravity pulling you down. Your legs are heavy. Your arms are heavy. Your eyelids are heavy. You are safe. You are held. There is nothing you need to do right now except breathe. Now, bring your awareness to the area of your body where you feel the discomfort. Don't judge it. Don't hate it. Just notice it. Imagine this area not as a solid block of pain, but as energy that is simply stuck. It is just energy calling for your attention. I want you to imagine your breath traveling directly to this spot. As you inhale, imagine your breath wrapping around the pain like a soft, warm blanket. And as you exhale, imagine the edges of the pain softening. Softening. Loosening. Unwinding. If your mind says, "It hurts," gently answer back, "I am listening. It is okay to let go." Create space around the discomfort. Imagine the tight muscles relaxing, giving the pain room to breathe, room to move, room to leave. You are not your pain. You are the observer of the pain, and you are much bigger than this sensation. Now, I want you to use the power of your mind's eye. Imagine a warm, golden light hovering just above the top of your head. This is pure healing energy. It is intelligent. It is soothing. See this light turning into a warm, thick liquid, like golden honey. And now, let it pour down. Through the top of your head, down your neck, down your spine. Watch as this golden elixir travels directly to the place where you feel discomfort. It knows exactly where to go. Imagine this warm light coating the area, seeping deep into the muscles, deep into the joints, deep into the nerves. Visualize the pain as a block of ice, and this golden light as the warm sun. Watch the ice melting away, dissolving into nothingness. The tension is washing away. It is leaving your body, flowing out through the soles of your feet and into the earth. Let it go. You don't need to hold it anymore. See your cells in that area, bathing in this golden light. They are repairing. They are regenerating. They are returning to their perfect, natural state. Your body has heard you. Your cells are now vibrating at a new frequency, a frequency of ease, a frequency of flow. Trust that the healing continues, even after you open your eyes. The work is done. Silently repeat these words to yourself. I am healing. My body is safe. I am whole. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Take one final deep, refreshing breath. Inhale health. Exhale fully. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring gentle movement back to your body. And when you are ready, with a soft smile on your face, open your eyes. Welcome back. Stay with healing, peace, and love.